everyone, my name is Rudy. I'm down at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon, here with my good friend Ryan Weber behind the camera, here to show off a 2021 Leisure Travel U24RL. This is a great floor plan, no slides, so everything's self-contained. I always say it's 100% usable space 100% of the time. Leisure travel is very limited. We're one of 13 companies in the whole nation that are blessed to be able to represent the company and help people buy them brand new. And this is a pre-owned option here. So on the outside, the optional thing that it was ordered with is the Alcoa rims. You got full body paint throughout this coach, power awning, LED lighting included, but we're going to focus on the inside. Let's get Ryan here past the door. So you got the power step to enter. You got the nice screen door here to keep the mosquitoes and all the bugs out. One thing I like about this floor plan, and let Ryan get a good look at that, is got a place there for your shoes. Additionally, lighted handle when you walk into the coach. You have the lagoon table that you can raise and lower. Both seats do spin around and are powered and heated. This is a fully loaded Mercedes chassis as well. The 6-cylinder with adaptive cruise, active lane assist, all the new safety features. This coach doesn't come equipped with solar panels. I can tell by right there you have the Go Power solar monitor here. Nice deep stainless steel sink, solid corian countertops. This is the concrete countertops from Leisure Travel. And then as far as like for cooking, they turn dead space into real space. So as you lower this down, you have tons of countertop space here. Great storage throughout the coach as well. TV conveniently placed there too as well. So when you spin those seats around, great vision. One thing I really appreciate about this coach is the fridge and freezer. If you want a little drink there, awesome. If you want to get a little ice cream bar at night and you're in the bedroom, you can do that as well. Follow me back here now, Ryan. This is where it's starting to get really fun. Now back here in the RL, this is a rear lounge. That's what the RL stands for. You have recliner seats here that are powered. Great big windows. TV conveniently placed there. Nice deep storage. Ryan, would you get in that shower and show them how much spacing that is? Get in there. Show them the spacing. It's just amazing space. Ryan's about just under 6 foot tall, and he could stand in there easily. Give me a call. My name's Rudy. Love to help you out. There's a ton more questions I could answer for you about the U24RL. Ask for my friend Ryan or any one of us. Take care.